Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening Google AI Studio and signing in. Make sure you pick or create the project that will house your models. Once done, enable necessary APIs and choose a model family and compute tier so you don't hit limits later. You'll name the experiment, set basic permissions, and add a dataset reference. Begin uploading a small sample now to validate formatting. This first small run saves time and exposes schema or credential issues early. You now configure the training job. Clean and split your dataset, then map fields to the model's input schema so examples align. Next, set hyperparameters, learning rate, batch size, epochs, based on dataset size, start conservative and increase if underfitting. Launch a short debug run to watch logs and metrics and save validation checkpoints so you can revert. If training stalls, reduce batch size or switch optimizer. Iterate until validation loss consistently improves. You finalize by deploying a model endpoint and configuring authentication and traffic allocation. Make sure to test inference with real payloads to validate outputs and latency. Once live, monitor performance, costs, and drift. Implement a /B testing for safety. If you see mispredictions or high latency, scale compute or retrain with more examples and use endpoint rollback if needed. One key troubleshooting tip: when outputs are unexpectedly wrong, run a minimal reproducible input through the training artifact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.